introduction.
Why do I have to say it? I always say it.
Hey guys, we're at Animal Kingdom. It's something that we just decided. Amber just said, hey, we're going to Animal Kingdom. I got some fast passes, so I got off work and came home, and now we're here.
I still have my amazing ears.
In Nebraska, we couldn't do that, so it's kind of cool that we're here in Florida and we can actually just pick up and go to the park whenever we want. So, yeah, we're gonna go in there, hang out for a few hours. At 6 o'clock, they close at 10, so it's kind of nice just to come to the park for like 4 hours and not be completely exhausted. But,
yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you guys in the park.
What number is it? I got it, Victor. I got it.
Hey, we're gonna go see a Yeti. That was always my nose. Right, Jess. Where's your glasses at?
Right here.
Oh. The downfall.
Oh, man.
That was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
So, back is awesome. It was awesome.
So that's pretty cool. Floats for the River of Light. Supposedly they have more graphics, and there's no more live actors on it either. Because that's where you sit. It's like you can sit on that side, I believe, on the left side over there, and there's that seating over here. But it looks like they're already out. I believe there's 2 shows tonight, so they're probably getting ready a little bit earlier than expected. Here's a better shot to see the seating of how many people they can fit. So we're in Pandora, obviously. I got a Woodland Sprite globe that lights up, and a Magic Man. It's a new one.
How new?
So new. I'll have to show it to you guys when we get in the car.
This place is amazing.
At night. Even in the day, but I love it at night here.
So, nobody stole this idea, but Amber wants to do this as our floor in our house.
Don't take my idea. Just kidding. I'm sure everybody has it or wants to do it, or do like fluorescent lighting and stuff.
There's that one place that they had a castle. And I wanted that as my living room backdrop.
Oh, that was at Downtown Disney.
Oh.
It was a store.
It was awesome.
He's like, let's take that. So they're not selling that. I wish they were.
Okay.
It'd probably be like, what, 5,000 bucks? I don't know, I'm just throwing it up.
That's probably the delivery cost. It was ridiculous. But we're gonna go back on Cali.
We're starting to get more comfortable with the camera. There's a whole bunch of people walking around, and we're really proud of ourselves for talking to the camera to you guys. So we're working out our nerves.
Scared.
A lot of people smiled at us, so we're like, then that's about it. If you see us in the park, say hi. We'd love to meet new people.
So we're gonna head over to Cali right now
and get soaked again.
Yeah,
we'll show you the after effects of it. Alright guys, this is a tree at night. It's pretty cool. I think you might be able to see some animals on there. Guys, they're moving. We didn't even know this. That is so cool. Guys, the details are so cool here. It's so pretty.
Oh look.
Did you redeem yourself?
I hope so, but now they moved the camera.
Well, we'll insert the picture of what we just took.
So we just got off.
Soaked. Like my whole right side is soaked. You got soaked. You got some on your face.
We were the only ones on the raft, and that thing was like spinning.
It was going so fast. Like, you know how there's a stop right before? There was no stop. You just kept going. You're like, there's no stop. It was spinning so
and I got
fast.
Smacked in the face with a big old thing of water.
It wasn't me this time, guys.
So we may either go home, go by Pine Eagle, or maybe Everest.
We can see what's on, and there's like an hour left of the park before it closes.
So
we'll see.
But we will see you guys later. Hey guys, so we found some new friends. Ultra B.
Yeah. So our friends, first time and the last day, are behind us.
This is awesome.
We're gonna try to get some of their reactions.
Look, she's filming us. Taking a break. We're stuck. So this is fun. Oh, the lightning. Man. Half of it, yeah.
The music. Oh no. No, it doesn't.
We might be getting evac. There's lightning.
I haven't heard the trains, the track change. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, here it goes.
There it goes, there it goes.
All right. I think this is more scary than going backwards.
I know. Waiting in silence.
Oh, here we go.
quick, we wanted to say bye to our new friends that we rode together with on Expedition Everest.
Yep, wish them a safe trip home.
Yes, go subscribe to them. They're so awesome, really cool. They travel a lot, they were saying.
Yep, go United.
So if they're watching, it was so nice to meet you guys. We hope to see you soon. Hopefully they'll come back to Florida and
Their
Disney
channel
World.
is Culture Bean, and we'll
One
link
word.
them below too.
Yes.